Hey, what's up, guys? Magic Mon here, and today I'm here with my friend Josh. So we're gonna be showing you a little bit of magic. So enjoy the video. Okay, so here I have the Queen of Diamonds. So I want you to hold that like this. Okay. And now over here I also have the Queen of Hearts. So I'll switch these out. So now you're holding the Queen of Hearts. I'm holding the Queen of Diamonds. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the deck over here. So now I'm going to either switch the cards or not switch them, okay? So, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now which one do you think is the Queen of Hearts? Which one do you think is the Queen of Diamonds?
Queen of Hearts, Queen of Diamonds.
Okay, flip them over, see which is which. And that is how you be a card master. Okay, so this is the tutorial on the David Blaine 2-card Monty. So, basically, all you're going to need is you're going to need the 2 red queens, so the Ace of Hearts, or the Queen of Hearts, and the Queen of Diamonds. And you're going to need the 2 black aces, so the Ace of Spades and the Ace of Clubs. So all you're going to do is put it in between the 2 queens, okay? So you're going to take that, and all you're going to do is put it on top of the deck. So basically, once you have that done, all you need to do is get a break under all 4 of those cards. So the easiest way to do, so you're going to need a pinky break under those. So the easiest way to do that is just to spread off 4 cards like this, and then put your pinky under it, and then slide it back down, and then you're going to have a pinky break right under that. So then you're good for the trick. Now, what you're going to do is you're first going to flip over the top queen. So it doesn't matter if it's the Queen of Hearts or the Queen of Diamonds. It really doesn't matter what order they're in. You just need to say, okay, so now I have the Queen of Hearts. Then you flip it back over, and you tell your spectator to hold it like this, and you're going to put it in their hand. So can you be my... Okay. So
Yep.
just like that. So you're going to... You don't want them to have a super tight grip, or it's going to ruin your card.
It's going to loosen the grip a little bit.
Yeah. So, and then what you're going to do is you're going to do what's called a triple lift. So you have 3 cards left. So you're going to have to lift up all 3 of them. So basically you're doing a double lift with all 3 of those cards. So if you don't know how to do a double lift, there's like a billion tutorials out there on how to do that. I might teach that soon on my channel, but for now, so you have the break. I'll just go over a quick overview. So you're going to have the break, and you're going to come up here with your index finger and your thumb, and you're going to grab right there, right at the break, and you're going to grab it, and you're going to squeeze kind of tightly, come to the bottom, and then flip it back on top. And then you need to get another pinky break under that, and then you just flip it back over, just like that. It's not that hard, but depending on what kind of double lift you're doing, that's the one I would recommend. It's just the regular double lift. So then what you're going to do is, once you show them that, you're going to take the top card, which is actually the Ace of Clubs, or whatever ace you had there. And then you're going to say, now I'm going to switch them, okay? So now, and then you show that you have the Queen of Hearts, but you don't want them to flip over their cards, so you might want to say, okay, so I have the Queen of Hearts, and you have the Queen of Diamonds, or you might not want to say that if you don't want it to be, if you don't want them to move it. So now, what you're going to do is, you're basically going to do what's called a top change. So you have the Queen, and you need to get this ace right here. So what you're going to do is, you're basically going to push this card on top into your thumb while you're pulling the bottom card out. So then you have the ace. So I like to do that when I'm setting the deck down. So I just quickly go like this and then set the deck down, and then I have the ace. So you're gonna have to practice this move a lot before you actually do this trick to someone. But so you're gonna take the queen, you're gonna slide it on top. You're going to use your thumb to push the other one a bit off, push this back onto here, grab it with your thumb, and pull the other one out. But you're going to kind of do this pretty fast, kind of like this, and then set the deck down. So there's not that many tutorials out there, but there is a few. So go check one of those out. So you have this, you do a top change, you set the deck down, and you hold it like this. So you go, now, this is what you have to say. So you say, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to either switch the cards or not switch them. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and kind of like, so I'm either going to switch them or not switch them. You don't do anything. But so at this point you already have both the aces right there. So what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, so 3, 2, 1, and then you're going to slide. All you're going to do is just slide it right in and back out. You're not going to do anything. So, and then you're going to go, okay, you're going to put it back in their hand and say, okay, now which one do you think is the queen of hearts? Which one do you think is the queen of diamonds? It's pretty much set, and then they just, like, here, flip it over, see which is which. And they flip it over and they freak out. This gets really good reactions. So, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.